I still replay the last words, the ones I never meant to say. I know I held you tighter on the days you tried to pull away. And maybe I was desperate to feel like I was worth the fight, but loving you was gentle, even when we didn't get